Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I thought I'd go ahead while I'm out doing a ride today and do a little review of the new Rigg Gear Lite dual sport tank bag that they come out with. It's actually a smaller tank bag than normal. It's made for dual sports. You can use it on adventure bikes too, dirt bikes. It's nice and compact is the coolest part about it. It has a lot of good features. Of course, the Rigg Gear Nelson Rigg lifetime warranty, and it's built out of the same rugged material that all the Nelson Rigg stuff is, and that's why they can back it with the lifetime warranty. So super good, super nice looking. Look how good this thing looks on the Honda CRF300L. So fits real good. It's nice because I can still access my gas cap without having to take the bag loose. You could scoot it further forward where you would have to take it loose, but I like it scooted back. I can access it good. Nice buckles here, just clips it on. Straps to go around the frame. A strap that goes around the steering neck, and that's all there is to it. You can unbuckle it real easy. It's got a nice ruggedized handle here with a rubber pad on it, so you can, when you take it off, you can carry it around good. And we're going to check this out a little closer. Let me bring the camera up here where you can see. So coming up here a little bit closer, you can see that this bag is, like I said, it's super compact, which is the coolest part about it, is being so compact. It does have this see-through top where you could actually put a map in here or your cell phone, and it is touch. So if you use your cell phone in there, you can still use the buttons on it. The touchpad and everything works great. This is actually their Rigg Gear Adventure line. So this bag is actually called the Trails End Light Tank Bag RG-1040. It does have, just like everything Nelson Rigg that I've had for the Rigg Gear Adventure line, it does have the Ultramax fabric with the maximum UV protection. So the cool part about this is, over time in the sun, none of my bags that I've had from Rigg Gear has ever faded. They always look nice and stay nice and black looking instead of fading out. It does have this reflective piping at night, so when lights hit it, it actually glows. Has it down both sides. And it does have the quick release strap system. You can see the front here, so I went around the stem on the front, and as I said, on the side around the frame here, strap it on. And underneath it, it does have these rubberized pads to keep it from scratching your plastic. The same up here. And there's also the same rubberized fabric on the bottom. It helps it give it traction so it grips good and keeps it from scratching your plastic or your tank. This bag is real nice and stiff, which makes it to where it holds its shape even when it's empty. When it was empty, it was actually the same shape it is now. I do have some stuff in it right now because I'm out riding. It is not waterproof, but it does come with a 100% waterproof rain cover that's included, and you just keep it inside, throw it over it if you're going to be out in rainy conditions, and you're good to go. You're waterproof. The measurements of this bag is actually 10.25 inches long by 6.5 inches wide and 4 inches tall. Now this bag is not like some. It does not expand up. It actually is the 4 inches high, and that's what it is. It is approximately 4.4 liters. So if we go around here and open this up, you can see all my contents in here. Just a few things I carry. So on this part here, you can actually open it up. It's Velcro, real easy to use. Instead of being a zipper, it's just a Velcro. And you can slide in your phone, your maps or whatever, Velcro it back, and it holds your map or your cell phone or whatever in there nice and snug. I've got some little bit of bottled Excedrin here, some Germ-X. I've got a little light in here that I just dropped, and I have my air compressor. So my little mini air pump that I carried in the other tank bag, it does fit nicely in this. Actually, just a perfect fit from top to bottom, and it don't bounce around, slide around. It holds it nice and snug. I do like that part. So we take it out. And then right here is actually the cover that goes over it. So it keeps it nice and covered and waterproof. And I just throw it down in this part here, fold it up nice and tight. Fits down in here out of the way. Carry it with you. There is some instructions here. It tells you how to strap it on. And if you'll notice on the inside of this, it's actually got this gray material. And it's pretty much so you can actually, instead of being black, it makes it easier, especially in low light conditions. You can see your stuff in here and see in here a little bit better with the gray. Really the only purpose for it. But this thing is nice and thick and insulated. You can feel the padding on the side of it. It does have the Rigg Gear Adventure logos on the side, and then up front here it does have the Ultramax logo on the front. It does have the reverse coil double lock zippers, so when you zip these zippers together, they do have this hole right here, and you can actually put a lock in it. I don't know that that'd be too secure anyway, but it does have that option if you want to use it. And the handles are nice and ruggedized with this little rubberized Rigg Gear logo on them. Okay, so pretty much all there is to the cover. It does have a little strap so you can actually tighten it up after you put it on, but it just slips right over here. I'll show you. It's kind of hard to hold my camera and do it at the same time. So that's all there is to it. Just slip it over it. You still have your touch screen right on here. You can actually get to it to use it. You can see through it. It has this pull thing to tighten it up on here, and just fits over the whole thing. So if it's raining, you're good and going to be 100% waterproof, protected. And you can see over here on the side, it does have the Rigg Gear Adventure logo on the side. So that's it, guys, for the Nelson Rigg Gear Adventure line RG-1040 Lite tank bag. Super good little bag. I think it's actually the best looking bag that I've had on one of my dual sports. So I'm definitely going to keep this one on here because it fits everything that I need. On a tank bag, I don't need something big, especially when riding out in the woods and stuff and getting in the way. This nice compact bag really fits good. So I will post a link below to Nelson Rigg, and I can tell you now, if you go down there and there's the link to Nelson Rigg, and when you go to their site and anything you order, just order something over $50, you get free shipping. And if you use the code Woodzman20, then you'll get 20% off of your order. So super good deal. If you're going to get one of these bags, now's the time to get it. I got that code below and the link below. You can check them all out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.